Create groups. There are several ways to create a group in your course. To access the groups area, go to the control panel, click on Users and Groups, click on Groups. You'll see a page that lists any groups currently in your course. You can create a single group or set of groups. Mouse over the Create button, see your options. Let's start by creating a single group. You'll most likely do this to manage a makeup test or an assignment. Manual Enroll Group. There are two options, Manual and Self-Enroll. Let's start with the Manual Enroll group. Give the group a name. Your students will see this name if you make it available to the students. You can type a description, but it is optional. Choose to make the group available. Choose the different tools available to this group. We'll go through these in a separate video in this workshop, so we will skip these for now. You can allow groups to personalize their group. If you leave this checked, students can change the color and banner for their group. They can also add tool modules like calculators, library searches, etc. to the group. These tool modules are only visible to the student who added it. If you check the next box, a smart view will be added to the Grade Center. It will only show the students within that group along with the assignments they have assigned to them. Since this is a manual enroll group, you must select the students. Click on Add Users, select the students for this group, click Submit to confirm your selection. Click Submit to create the group. Now your group has been created. Self-enroll group. This is the same process, but students can enroll themselves in the group. Let's create one. Remember, to get here, you click on Users and Groups, click on Groups, and then on Groups. Hover over the Create button, click on Self-enroll. The controls are almost identical. We type in a name, then we see the first difference. You can make the group visible, or you can just show the sign-up list until the students are enrolled. We strongly suggest that you choose to show the group. The tools and personalization sections are the same. Next, give your group a sign-up sheet name and description. This is where you will describe the purpose of the group to your students. Define the maximum number of members that can enroll in each group. You can choose to show the names of the members that have already signed up to those who have yet to do so. In order for the student to see the sign-up sheet, you must click the box that shows the sign-up sheet in the group's page. Scroll down. You can add Smart View if desired, and then click Submit. You can also create a set of groups all at once. There are three different ways. Group Setup. Random Enroll. First way is to use a random enrollment. The system will randomly enroll your students into different groups it creates. This can be the appropriate approach for the beginning of class with low-stakes assignments where you are still trying to get to know your students. Hover over the Create button and then choose Group Set Random Enroll. Give the group a set name. Choose whether it is visible. Select the tool set. Choose the personalization settings and whether there will be a smart view for each group. Then choose how the groups will be set up. You can choose either the number of students in each group or the number of groups. The system will randomly assign students into each group. You must tell the system what to do if the numbers don't work out evenly. Choose from these three options here. Then click Submit. The groups will be created according to your settings. Group Set Manual Enroll. You can also create a set of groups where you can manually enroll the students in each group. Hover over the Create button and then choose the Group Set Manual Enroll link. Give the group a set name. Choose whether it is visible. Select the tool set. Choose the personalization setting and whether there will be a smart view for each group. Then choose how many groups you will create. Then click Submit. Now you can see each group, and you can manually assign students into each group by clicking on Add User button. When all students are assigned, click Submit. Group Set Self-Enroll. Creating a set of self-enroll groups is exactly the same as creating one self-enroll group, except for you must define how many groups are in a set. To go over the group page, hover over the Create button, then click on Self-Enroll Group Set. The controls are the same as creating a single self-enroll group. The only unique control is at the bottom of the page where you set how many groups will be in each set.